When it comes to kitchen gadgets that truly elevate your cooking game, this Braun MultiQuick 9 hand blender with iMode technology is a standout choice. This versatile and powerful hand blender is designed to meet the demands of both novice home cooks and experienced chefs. With cutting-edge technology and a range of attachments, the MultiQuick 9 is more than just a hand blender. It's a complete kitchen system. In this detailed review, we'll explore the features, performance, and overall value of the Braun MultiQuick 9, helping you decide if this is the right tool to add to your culinary arsenal. One of the most impressive features of the Braun MultiQuick 9 is its active power drive technology. Equipped with a high-performance 700-watt motor, this hand blender delivers up to 40% faster performance compared to previous models like the Braun MQ500. This extra power translates into quicker, smoother, and more efficient blending, making it ideal for a wide range of tasks, from creating silky smooth soups to blending tough ingredients like nuts and seeds. The motor is designed not only for power, also for efficiency. This means that even with extended use, the blender remains cool and quiet, making your kitchen experience more pleasant. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast smoothie or preparing a complex dish, the MultiQuick 9 is built to handle it all with ease. The Braun MultiQuick 9 introduces iMode technology, a feature that gives you unprecedented control over your blending tasks. With 3 distinct speed modes, low, high, and pulse, you can tailor the blender's performance to the specific needs of your recipe. Low speed mode. This mode is perfect for delicate tasks like mixing soft ingredients or slicing and shredding. The speed is capped, ensuring that you stay within an optimal power range that won't overprocess your food. High speed mode. When you need full power, this mode unleashes the entire 700 watts, making it ideal for tougher blending tasks. Whether you're pureeing vegetables or making a thick batter, the high-speed mode gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Pulse mode. Pulse mode is perfect for precision chopping and blending. It delivers short bursts of power, allowing you to achieve the perfect texture without overblending or smashing ingredients. This level of control ensures that you get the best possible results for a variety of culinary tasks, from smooth sauces to chunky salsas. Another innovative feature of the Braun MultiQuick 9 is its ActiveBlade technology. Unlike traditional hand blenders, the ActiveBlade moves up and down as you blend, increasing the cutting surface and reducing the amount of effort needed. This movement allows the blade to easily process even the toughest ingredients, turning them into fine, smooth mixtures in seconds. This technology is particularly useful when working with fibrous vegetables, hard ingredients like root vegetables and nuts. ActiveBlade's motion ensures that everything is blended evenly and thoroughly, giving you professional quality results every time. The MultiQuick 9 is not just a blender, it's a multifunctional kitchen tool thanks to the EasyClick Plus system. This system allows you to quickly and easily swap out attachments, transforming your hand blender into a variety of kitchen appliances. The latest addition to the MultiQuick 9's extensive range of attachments is the XL 8-cup food processor. This powerful attachment includes a dicer, slicer, shredder, julienne blade, chopper, and even a kneading tool. Whether you're preparing vegetables for a salad, dicing onions, or making dough, food processor attachment has you covered. In addition to the food processor, the MultiQuick 9 includes whisk attachment, perfect for whipping cream, beating eggs, and making meringues. Masher attachment, ideal for making mashed potatoes and other purees. 1.5-cup chopper, great for chopping small amounts of nuts, herbs, or spices. Beaker, a handy measuring cup for mixing drinks, sauces, and more. This versatility makes the MultiQuick 9 one of the most comprehensive hand blenders on the market, capable of replacing several standalone appliances in your kitchen. The advanced Smart Speed technology in the MultiQuick 9 offers intuitive control with just one hand. Instead of traditional speed settings, this technology allows you to adjust the speed by simply applying more or less pressure to the control button. This means you can seamlessly transition between speeds, giving you precise control over the blending process. This feature is particularly useful when you're multitasking in the kitchen, as it allows you to adjust the blender's speed without having to stop and switch settings manually. Result is a smoother, more efficient cooking process that saves you time and effort. The Braun MultiQuick 9 is designed for efficiency, and its PowerBell Plus technology plays a key role in this. The unique shape of the PowerBell Plus blending shaft, combined with an extra milling blade, ensures that ingredients are drawn in and blended more quickly. This design also helps reduce splashing, keeping your kitchen cleaner while you work. The PowerBell Plus technology is particularly effective when working with large batches of ingredients. Whether you're making soup for the family or preparing a large batch of sauce, the MultiQuick 9 blends everything evenly and quickly, without leaving behind any lumps or unprocessed pieces. When investing in a kitchen appliance, durability is a key consideration, and the Braun MultiQuick 9 does not disappoint. Built with high-quality materials, including stainless steel blades and a robust motor, this hand blender is designed to withstand regular use over the long term. The attachments are also made from durable, BPA-free materials that are safe for food contact and easy to clean. The blender's ergonomic design, with a comfortable grip handle, ensures that it's easy to use even for extended periods. The entire unit feels solid and well-constructed, giving you confidence that it will perform reliably for years to come. Cleaning up after cooking can be a chore, but the Braun MultiQuick 9 makes it easy. Most of the attachments are dishwasher safe, allowing you to simply pop them into the dishwasher after use. For the parts that aren't dishwasher safe, like the motor unit, a quick wipe with a damp cloth is all that's needed. The EasyClick Plus system also makes it simple to detach and reattach the various components, so you can switch between tasks without any hassle. This ease of maintenance ensures that you'll actually use the MultiQuick 9 regularly, rather than leaving it to gather dust in a cupboard. The Braun MultiQuick 9 hand blender with iMode technology is more than just a kitchen gadget. A powerful, versatile tool that can transform the way you cook. Whether you're blending, chopping, whisking, or dicing, this hand blender delivers professional quality results with minimal effort. Its combination of power, precision, and ease of use makes it a must-have for any home chef. If you're looking to streamline your kitchen, reduce clutter, and simplify your cooking process, the MultiQuick 9 is the perfect solution. It's an investment that will pay off in the form of delicious, perfectly prepared meals, time and time again. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.